When I think of the legacy of our partnership with the MetroWest Foundation and Yale Appliance and their foundation, I think of leadership, I think of impact, and I think of community building. Really focusing their effort on helping us take care of some of the most vulnerable community members.
When someone says social determinants of health, to me, it really means those factors that influence the health of an individual. It could be employment, it could be racism, it could be food insecurity, it could be their housing status. All of those things contribute to an individual's health, and it's important that we all focus on those as well. JFS has really focused on the social determinants of health. As a social service agency, it's really one of the premier organizations that we work with. Individuals tell us how JFS's work has impacted them.
Patient Navigator not only picks me up and takes me back home, but they are my second pair of ears. They listen to what the doctor's saying, they write it down right away. And that is so important. Patient Navigator, they are my heroes.
We see with our Patient Navigator program that our client families are less reluctant to visit the doctor. And also the practitioners, the medical providers, spend more time with our patient navigators, our volunteers, and their patient because they know there's somebody taking notes and that their advice is actually going to be put into action.
I love this program. I support this program. I don't have a lot of money, but this is the one program that I send money to all the time. I literally would not be able to live here without this program.
One activity that has really impressed me is the work that JFS does with new immigrants and refugees.
The families come to us for various reasons. We help them apply for benefits such as SNAP benefits, DTA, healthcare, mass health. If they're a struggling family that they have kids in school that they don't have proper coats or boots.
JFS has been a long-established partner in Framingham Public Schools, one that I think really have made tremendous transformational growth with in the last 7 years. We have a resource room at our Welcome Center. Welcome to the public schools. We'll help register your child, and is there anything else you need? How can we direct you to support for food services, for food security, or basic clothing needs, backpacks?
Many of the families that we welcome, they have never seen snow before. They haven't experienced what it means to be cold. For the past 3 years, Yale Appliance sponsored an event that helped our clients access winter gear.
We have companies like Yale Appliance that are not only giving financial resources, but engaging their employees in volunteer activities that are so important to area programs.
I wish every corporation could see what Yale has done and said, hey, we can do the same thing.
I've watched a mother with her child, with the mother literally sobbing. Sobbing because she was so happy that her child was so cared for. We don't necessarily want everybody to see that because that work is done discreetly and with dignity. But when families are moved to tears by the generosity, that's powerful.
As I enter this new phase of my life in retirement, I am gratified by the fact that there are people in the MetroWest region who I know are committed to carrying on the legacy collectively as organizations to really make the region a better place.
JFS cannot do it alone, so it is really imperative that we have these collaborative partnerships, working with foundations, working with donors, working with community members, working with government, working with municipalities. That's our goal. Our goal is to bring in our collaborative partners and really figure out more creative, effective ways to be able to scale our work in the future.